Hey everyone, so welcome back to my channel. Today is just me unboxing, which I'm hoping is my splitter. I'm hoping. So I've just received it. It's a lovely big parcel. You don't realise how big your front end is, do you? So yes, so we're going to unbox my splitter if it is my splitter. You're going to stay away, mister. Go on. Right. Go for it. It should be easy. I am overdue a splitter. It has been needed for a long time. Piss if it's not even pissing the splitter. Oh, you little mates, come here. Imagine me like freaking scratching it now after all this. It's good room. My front room is quite big, isn't it? Right, this way. Woo! We've got into it. Oh my god, how big is it? Mine's like really dead thin and tiny. What are you doing? You're gonna love this, miss. It's got loads of bubble wrap. Oh my god, I'm excited to get on it already. Oh, it smells so nice. Oh, that's really weird of me to say that, but it smells a lot nice. Where have you gone? Oh, it's big. So this is the next modification to the Fiesta, guys. The next one. And it will be going on this weekend. Ready for Ford Fest. Woo, one end is out. Yeah, so I basically only ordered this for Ford Fest and tracks. But my splitter is pretty knackered, as you've all probably seen in all my videos. So it needed to be done, didn't it? So, oi, come in. Because he's not getting attention, he decided to scratch my couch. Right, here we have it. My new splitter. So guys, this is ordered from Deltastyling. Not many people will have this, so this is why I got this splitter from them. Everyone always has the TRC ones or the eBay pieces or the Max and Designs. I've gone for Deltastyling and it's pretty nice. I just love how big it is. So, because mine's literally tiny, it's so thin, as that's why obviously it's been cracking every time I hit something, so it is my fault. But so guys, I've got a new splitter. Weren't that hard to unbox, but yeah, so it's from Deltastyling. If you want to use my discount code, you can use CAT10, CAT10, and you can also use Delta20 to have, so you get 30% off. So if you want 30% off, use them two codes. Go and check them out. I'll link the splitter below. I'll also link the website below. So you can have a look at what other things they've got. They don't just do Fords. They've got Civic, Hondas, Volkswagens, everything. Honestly, just have a look, they've got everything. But no, I'm over the moon today. Come on guys, have a look at it. So, what's your thoughts on it? Drop me a comment below. Give me a like. Send me a share. Thanks everyone who subscribed. And I'll see you all very, very soon with a new video. Thank you.